So, how long should your YouTube video be? That's a question a lot of beginners have. And honestly, it doesn't have to be that long. Think about it. If you're a beginner, you already are exhausted probably with your life. You want to start a YouTube channel, but you also want to keep on living. So, it's already a lot of work to start to think of starting a YouTube channel. Just that thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to edit. I don't even know what to publish. I don't know what my channel is gonna be about. That's a lot of work. You have to research a lot of things, and that's already just like a huge block for everyone. So the question is, do you really need to be afraid of the length of your video? Does that matter? And honestly, to tell you the truth, it really doesn't matter because think about it. When you go on YouTube, do you spend hours and hours watching videos? Do you like to watch very long videos or not? In my opinion, the shorter the video is, the better. You just need to go straight to the point. Think about your videos as stealing time from your audience because we know that time is precious. It's probably the most precious asset you have. It is one of the most precious. Time and health is what you want to keep as much as you can. You want to cherish those two assets as much as you can. So, anyways, time is very precious, and people will not give you time if it's not going to bring value to their life. So, the shorter the better because they'll feel like it's okay. They can watch one, two, or three videos if they're short over the week. But if you make every video 20-minute video and you want to post more than once per week, it's going to be too much for people. So think about them like you want to think about yourself. You don't want to waste your time with things. So it's the same for your audience. Just respect their time as much as you respect your time, and I'm sure you do. Unless it is a live stream that you're doing, and this can be, those live streams could be very long. That's okay because you're live, you're interacting with your people. But if there's no live interaction, I don't think it should be long. I think it should be less than 8 minutes even. Don't make it too long. It does not matter at all, especially when you're a beginner. It doesn't mean that you're going to make a long video that it's going to help you. It won't. And trust me, I started to actually blow up my channel with 5 seconds videos, and I'm talking about YouTube shorts. They're not long videos. My longer form videos are not doing great at all. So, you know what? Start with short videos, see how they go, see how you like it just with short videos. Go straight to the point of whatever you want to talk about with short videos. See the results, and then if you want to talk more about something, a topic that you really enjoy, especially when you start, you just don't know what your channel is going to be about. You're so new that it's scary. Just the idea of starting is scary. Don't make it even harder for you because that's going to be a huge excuse and you're never going to start just because you're going to think it's a massive work you have to do and you need to edit like a 20-minute video when you don't need to. So make it simple, short, simple. Start your channel with something. Please, doesn't have to be a long video. Start with a short video. See how you like YouTube first and then go from there. But you just need to get used to publishing videos, and that's already hard. So start from the start. And it is just to like talk about something, publish a video, make it short. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.